Susan Sarandon, Rosario Dawson, Adam Scott, Martin Starr skipped the premieres and promotion in support to the strike. But why? What is this strike all about? This whole scenario started on the 2nd of May when Writers Guild of America protested against streaming gaints such as Netflix, Amazon, etc., which was later joined by Hollywood actors. Question here is, what are they protesting against? They are basically protesting against introduction of AI technology in Hollywood industry. How can AI be a problem? Let me tell you how. Firstly, before AI, there were screenwriters, songwriters who would write a story or song and was paid for that work. But after introduction of AI, this work can be done within minutes without paying anyone. Secondly, words have been there that background performers should be able to be scanned and get one-time payment, and after that their company should own that scan and can use it for the rest of eternity without their consent and compensation. Using scans, actors, and actresses' replica can be created through AI technology. How would this affect writers or actors? If AI comes into force, job uncertainty because people will lose their financial security. On a number scale, 11500 screenwriters are on strike, so you can imagine increase in unemployment after introduction of AI. This is main reason for the strike, but there will many more drawbacks, as in people thinking power will be reduced if everything this is served on the plate. AI can't provide the creativity which will be required in the works. In the past few days, strikes has been observed in major cities as in Philadelphia, Chicago, many more. A slogan was raised, "One struggle, one fight, we support SAG-AFTRA fight," resembling unity against one enemy. Disney CEO called this strike unrealistic, which was disheartening as well. Many actors supported this strike through social media platforms. What are your comments on this? Do let us know. If you like the video, subscribe and share. Thanks for subscribing.